An officer in Broadway Heights, Ohio, got more than he asked for on a field sobriety test when 27-year-old Tanner Watson decided if he performed a backflip, it would cancel out any other official field sobriety test given to him. The officer didn't fall for it, and Mr. Watson was booked.
All right, man. Why don't you step onto the car for me?
No problem.
All right, man. We're going to go to the front.
Okay.
Okay. We'll go to the sidewalk over here. You got anything on your person, any weapons
No,
or anything? You mind if I just check you real quick? Excellent.
If you want, I put your hands up in the car.
And just right here, too. You know, we're actually we'll just walk back here to the bed of your truck, right? Yeah. Okay. You've had, how many beers did you say you've had today, or drinks?
3 to 4.
Okay. And how long ago was that?
About an hour plus.
Okay. All right.
Like,
Just
throughout the time, like from like 6 to what time is it now? 2:29.
okay.
So between that time, at least 3 to 4.
Okay.
I've just been hanging with my buddies. I'm not from here.
Gotcha.
I've been here working. I came out, hang out with them.
Okay.
They wanted to go get some, hang out, have a couple of drinks. We went out, did that. Went got some Taco Bell. My other brother wanted to go home. I was like, all right, no problem. I'll bring you home.
Okay. Yeah, man, your driving's pretty bad. Your eyes are super glossy. I guess no booze coming from you, so I want to run some sobriety tests on you.
No
All right, that cool? All right, man. So the first one's just going to be the eye test. For this one, we're just going to have you stand feet together, hands at your sides. All right, you wear glasses or contacts?
No, sir.
Okay. Can you see the tip of my finger?
The very tip, yes, sir.
All right, follow it with your eyes and your eyes only, okay?
That's kind of hard to do right there.
All right.
Way out of my vision.
Yeah, well, just do it as best you can, all right, man? Follow. Just keep your eyes on my finger, okay?
Trying to look, but
All right, yeah, just keep your eyes on the tip of my finger, okay?
I always have to do this. Like you went back and forth then too many times. Like it's getting a little dizzy over here. You know.
Okay. Well, we're going to do it until my test is done, okay?
Sorry, sir. Is it like a past the time limit they can do this for? Or?
There's no time limit.
Okay, good.
There's no time limit.
I mean, I'm just like, I don't know, like at 4 a.m. Just hanging out with my boys.
Yeah. It is. It's early in the morning. Yeah. But there's no time limit. All right, man. So that's the eye test. We got 2 more tests we're going to go through, okay? Next one's going to be the walk and turn test. So for this test, I'm just going to have you picture a line going down the center of the sidewalk here.
So I could picture anything I want. Okay. Can see you my own mind.
I'm gonna have you.
That's what I'm just saying.
I'm gonna have you picture a straight. I'm gonna have you picture a straight line.
I put my head down.
Sure, sure thing, man.
And do that, you know.
That's good, man.
That's pretty good.
That's a.
Yeah.
I can't do that. I'll tell you that. But
So that's why I'm saying, like, what can I can see? But I can be like over here, like, this is my own line, you know.
yeah,
So I'm asking you, what do you want me to do as a straight line? Like, can you give me definitive?
have you had any psychedelic drugs today, man?
No, I've not.
All right, I'm just trying to be straightforward with you, bro. Just picture a straight line going down the sidewalk.
To me,
Yeah.
my picture of straight line compared to your straight line might be obscured.
Might be obscured.
Which
Okay.
Listen.
Yeah.
If I stand right here, you start right here, and he stands right here, that straight line is obscured.
All right, walk down the. I'm gonna have you walk down the middle of the sidewalk. I don't know how I
So,
can
stay
explain
right
this any
here?
clearer.
Middle.
So I want to have you get in the starting position. I'm gonna have you put your left foot
I was just trying to ask.
on that. I'm gonna have you put your left foot on the line. I'm gonna have you put your right foot in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe.
Left to right.
Right foot in front of your left foot.
Right foot.
Right foot in front of your left foot. Right foot.
So I said starting as left foot.
Right foot in front of your left foot. Arms at your sides. This is the starting position. Stay in this position while I explain the instructions. Okay, man?
I feel salsa stance.
Do you understand?
Left to right, yes sir.
Okay. Stay in this starting position while I explain the instructions, okay? When I say begin, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down that line. It's going to look just like this. 1, 2, 3. When you get to 9, you're going to take a series of small steps, and you're going to go back down that line, taking 9 steps again, just like this. 1, 2, 3. You're going to go all the way to 9, count each step out loud, and keep your hands at your sides. You understand?
So 9. Left to right. To 9. Around. Go back to 9. Right?
I want you to do the test just how I explain those instructions
I
to you.
know. I was asking left to right. 9. Come back. 9.
You're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps going down the line.
Left. My left foot to my right foot. 9 steps.
You're going to
come
step.
back.
You're going to step 9 times down that line, and then you're going to
That's
turn
not what you
around.
just told me. I'm asking you to go left to right, 9 steps, turn around, come back to the other one.
Do you want me to explain it again? What's
I
your
just
what's
asked
your
you.
first name?
Tanner.
Tanner.
T-A-N-N-T-R. Last name Watson.
Tanner, just for the sake of redundancy, I can explain this to you again, if you want me to.
No, I just asked you for clarification. Left foot, right first.
You're
Not
right.
saying anything. I'm asking you. Left foot, right first, right? Left foot.
Tanner,
Left foot.
Tanner, you're going to start.
Left foot.
Tanner.
I'm asking you.
Tanner.
Left foot. I do have to raise my voice even higher.
Tanner.
I'm asking you. Left foot.
Tanner.
What's up?
You want to continue with the instructions?
I'm asking you. Left foot. You told me left foot first.
I cannot explain this any clearer to you.
You can.
Okay.
I'm asking you. Left or right foot? I can take you go backwards.
You're going to have your
all
right
night.
foot in front of your left foot.
So left foot and then right foot.
Your right foot is in front of your left foot.
For how many steps?
9 steps, Tanner.
9 steps, and then what?
All right. Tanner, turn around, place your hands behind your back, okay? All right. Is there anything in the car you need, Tanner?
Do you have my wallet? I think my phone's in there.
All right.
And that? No phone.
Your wallet is in the car or is with you?
In the truck. Okay.
All right, man.
So am I being arrested?
You're under arrest for OVI.
What is OBI?
Driving intoxicated.
Do you have any proof for that, or?
Tanner,
I-
you can't tell me what a straight line is. I think that's
No, no.
I think that's pretty solid proof.
No,
All
I
right.
asked you many times.
I got you. Take a
What do
seat.
you-